Here's how to make money on Clickbank real fast by using this simple, quick and amazingly free traffic source. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we are going to talk about Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate network sites out there. It is a favorite amongst a lot of affiliate marketers. It's been around for a really long time and it has a really good reputation. So let's explore how we're going to promote Clickbank products and start making money as soon as possible. So to get started, step number one is obviously to pick a high converting product. This is extremely important because if you don't pick the right product right from the start, everything you're going to do afterwards is going to be almost pointless. It does not matter if you have a great funnel, it does not matter if you have a great traffic source, it doesn't matter how good your ads are or how good your traffic source is. Everything afterwards is not going to matter if the product that you've picked is not converting that well, is a low converting product. So it's very important that you pick the right product right from the start. Now, if you're logging into your Clickbank account, you want to click on where it says Marketplace and you will be redirected to this particular page here where you can pick a product to promote. On the left here, you will see the categories section where you can pick products from different categories or niches. So there's a lot of different products here that you can pick a product from. You have like the cooking, food and wine niche where you can have products such as recipes, special diets. You have also like the e-business and e-marketing niche, which is the make money online niche. You have like health and fitness, which is an extremely popular niche to promote products from. You got like weight loss and so on. You also have like the health and fitness niche where you have a ton of different products that you can promote from. You have like diets and weight loss, you got like yoga, you got like nutritions. So there's a ton of different products that you can pick from here if you already have like a niche in your mind that you want to promote. Okay, if you don't know which product to promote and you just want to see what other products that are selling very well at the moment on Clickbank, then simply scroll back to the top and where it says find products, simply leave that empty and simply click on the search button. And what's going to happen is Clickbank is going to show you a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment on the platform. As you can see, the number one product on the platform is this product called Exipure. So it has a high gravity score, which means that a lot of affiliates are making money promoting this product. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail on picking the right product on Clickbank. I have other videos where I go into more details on how to do this. I will leave a link below in the descriptions for you to go and watch it after this video. But in a nutshell, what you want to do is you want to pick products that have a good gravity score, because if it has a good gravity score, it means that there are a lot of affiliates making money promoting this product. For example, here it has a gravity score of 1200, so there are 1200 affiliates right now making money promoting this product. But when the gravity score is too high, you might want to stay away from it because it can also mean that it's extremely competitive. But usually you want to go for a gravity score of around 30 to maybe 400 or something like that. Okay, and then you also want to have a look at the average amount of money that you would make per sale, because obviously you don't want to promote a product where you only get paid like $5. So you want to take into consideration how much you would get paid per referral. So you also want to have a look at the affiliate page. A lot of those products will have an affiliate page. So an affiliate page is basically a page that has been created by the seller of the product himself, where he's providing you with a bunch of different resources that you can use to promote his product. This can be like banners, email swipes, pictures, video testimonials, video ads. So a ton of different resources that are available to you, that is made available to you by the seller. So this is one more thing they can look into before choosing a product to promote as an affiliate. Once you pick a product, the next step 2 is to build a landing page. A landing page, or sometimes referred to as the bridge page, it is not absolutely necessary to have it, but it is highly recommended. And the purpose of the landing page is to basically warm up your traffic even more before sending that traffic to your affiliate offer. Okay, a landing page is nothing like a blog. A landing page is basically usually a one-page website where you want your audience to do one specific thing only. That can be maybe watching a video, that can be maybe reading an article, or maybe it can have like an opt-in form where you can collect emails of your audience. So a landing page or a bridge page is usually just one page website where you want your audience to do one specific thing only, as opposed to a blog where you have a bunch of articles where your audience will navigate around and read different articles that you have on there. So a landing page is very more concise, and it's targeted towards, okay, I want you to do this, and this is what you're going to do before I send you to the affiliate offer. So you want to build a landing page. It's not absolutely necessary, as I've said, but it is highly recommended because there are a lot of social media websites out there who don't like it when you send their traffic directly to your affiliate offer. They might shut you down, or they might, take out your links. So to be on the safe side, it can be better to just have a bridge page or landing page between your offer and your traffic. There are different platforms out there that allows you to create highly converting landing pages. You have like websites such as ClickFunnels, which is extremely popular, where you can build landing pages and funnels for your affiliate offer. There's also another one called Kartra, which is also extremely popular. There's another one called Builderall, which is a much cheaper alternative to ClickFunnels, for example, but you can also build highly converting landing pages on here as well. The one that I'm using right now is this landing page builder here called Systemy.io. It's a very good landing page, and the good thing with this one is that it has a free account that you can sign up for, and you can start creating landing pages for free, as opposed to the other ones that have the basic plans is usually paid, or they have a short free trial. But this one is absolutely free, at least for a certain amount of funnels and landing pages that you can create. So I would highly recommend you to check out Systemy.io if you don't have a landing page builder. Just to show you the quality of some of those landing pages, this is one of my funnels that I created. Let me open a few here. So I just spent like a few minutes to create those the other day, and you can see this is like an opt-in form for a dog related product. And then I have a short landing page where I'm redirecting my traffic to download an ebook around woodworking. So it's very easy to create those landing pages, and it does not cost you anything if you sign up for Systemy.io. So this is a good solution for you if you don't want to spend a lot of money at first building landing pages. So now step 3 is to drive traffic. You absolutely need traffic in order to start making sales. And so now step 3 is to drive traffic, okay? And there are basically two main types of traffic. You got like paid traffic and free traffic. And if you want to drive results real fast and you want to start making money real fast with Clickbank, then usually paid traffic is going to be your best bet. But the thing is, you need to understand that paid traffic can be very expensive, because you need to spend a lot of money, especially at first, to test a few different ads until you find the one that converts the best. So if you want a result real fast, obviously paid traffic is the best way to go, but understand that there is going to be a budget that will be required from you in order to succeed with this. On the other hand, if you're a little bit short on cash, or you don't want to spend so much money at first, then obviously free traffic will be your only choice. Now, one thing you need to understand with free traffic is that free traffic usually takes time. It's not like paid traffic. It's exactly the opposite of paid traffic. It does take a little bit of time to build up. It can take weeks, months, sometimes even years in certain cases, but usually it's going to take a few months before you're able to build a decent amount of free traffic that will start getting you sales consistently. So here's the thing you need to understand with free traffic if you want to have success as quickly as possible. When it comes to free traffic, it's all about putting out content. The more content you put out, the more exposure you get. And the more exposure you get, the greater the chances of one of your content going viral. And the more your content go viral and the more exposure you get, eventually the more clicks you get, and the more clicks you get, eventually the more sales you will start making. So if you want to succeed with free traffic as quickly as possible, you want to pick a site where you can post out a ton of content very, very quickly. Okay, and I'm talking like maybe 5 or 6 pieces of content very, very quickly. There are a ton of different traffic sources out there that are very good that you can try out and see to. There are a ton of different traffic sources out there that are very good that you can try and drive traffic to your affiliate offer. But one that I would recommend you to try if you're a total beginner would be to try and build Instagram theme pages. I talk about them a lot on my channel because I think it's one of the easiest ways to start building traffic. Obviously, it won't work in any niche, but it will work in a ton of niches out there. And what Instagram theme pages are, they are basically those Instagram pages where you curate content from other people. usually viral content, and eventually you start building your page up because people will start following you because they see that your page most of the time contains viral content. Your page will become the go-to place for viral content for your specific niche. For example, you could grow an Instagram theme page in the dog niche where you only create viral content about dogs. And basically people who have an interest in dogs, maybe they own dogs or they love dogs, they will start following you because they see your page is always having new curated and viral content related to dogs. Obviously, when you do this method, you need to give credit to the original poster of that content. You can't just go out there and take other people's content and repost it on your Instagram account, or you will get banned or get copy strike. So you want to ask permission. Sometimes you want to message people and ask them, hey, can I repost this on my channel, on my account, because I post content that are related to this, and a lot of time they will be totally fine with it. But always give credit to the original poster, or in some cases even message them if you want to. Some common examples of theme pages that I can show you is, for example, this page here called Cats of the Week, where basically the creator of this Instagram account has created a ton of different content all related to cats. Some are funny videos, some are weird videos, but everything that is related to cat. And you can see that they've grown their account to almost 1 million followers. They're close to reaching 1 million followers. They've had almost 3,000 posts on this account, and you can bet that all those 1 million followers are people who have some kind of interest about. And you can bet that all those 1 million followers are huge fans of cats, because or else they would not be following this particular page. Another one here is Nurses Proud, which has over 500,000 followers. And basically they create different types of content that is related to nurses, or content that will be understood mostly by nurses. And obviously those people who are going to follow this page are nurses, doctors, people in the medical niche, in the medical industry. So this is a very niche targeted traffic that they can have in here. Another one here is Engineers Universe, and basically they create a ton of content related to engineering, and the people who are going to follow that page is obviously people who have an interest in engineering. So those are some common examples of theme pages that you can grow. And it's very important that you pick a niche where there's a lot of dedicated fans and people that are very passionate about that. For example, cats, dogs, nurses, people that are very passionate about their job, doctors, engineers, computer scientists, computer engineers. Those people are usually very, very passionate about what they do, and you can easily create pages like that, creating viral content related to those niches. So let's say you've picked a Clickbank product in the dog niche, and you're promoting, let's say, a dog training course. You could build an Instagram theme page just like this one, Insta_dog. They have 1.6 million followers, and basically they post pictures or videos about dogs. And as you can see, it's definitely generating a ton of traffic every day through that page. And you could basically grow a page similar to this, have a link in the bio, an affiliate link, and you're guaranteed to make a ton of money by doing this. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not a quick way of making money online. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight or in a week. This is something that can take a little bit of time, but it will definitely work if you put in the work and you stay consistent. You want to post every single day, and you want to post maybe 5-6 posts a day. The more you put out, the greater your chances of going viral, and the faster you will grow over time. So to recap everything, guys, step one is you want to pick a high converting product that will sell, not a low converting. Do your research and find a high converting product that will sell. Step number two is to build a landing page. I've showed you the tool that I use. Landing pages are not absolutely necessary, but highly recommended if you don't want to go into any kind of trouble. And then step three is to drive traffic. The one that I recommend you to try if you're a total beginner is Instagram theme pages. So those are the 3 steps, simple steps to get started promoting Clickbank products to start seeing results as quickly as possible. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.